In Chainsaw Man Chapter 218, we have Asa ask Denji to do the unthinkable. She asks him to devour her, to eat her, in order to stop Yoru from trying to destroy the world. But Denji doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to harm Asa because he deeply cares for her. What decision will Denji make? Or is there another way around, stopping Yoru without having to sacrifice Asa? Asa considers herself to already be fallen, to already be dead. So what can Denji do to save her? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Full video on the YouTube channel, Nero Mega Man. Let's get it.